All right, so remember, we're talking about our persuasive or our opinion, I don't care what you call it, your persuasive, your opinion essay. And now we're talking about taking our thesis and one of our reasons and expanding that. So, can you find my thesis in here? I hope so. I love ice cream, okay? It's right there. I love ice cream. Why? Because of this reason. You can get any toppings you want on it. Notice that when I am starting my paragraph in the body of my essay, that I start with my thesis, and then I stick the word because, and then I have my reasons. No matter what reason I'm going to do, I love ice cream because it has many flavors. I love ice cream because it can cool you down on a hot day. I love ice cream because you can get any toppings you want on it. I'm always going to stick my thesis, a because, and my reason. Persuasive essays are they're very rigid. They follow a format. And once you learn the format, you can play around with it a little bit. Not this year, okay? I want you to learn this format, and then you can add a little razzle-dazzle to it later on. So here we go. We've got my thesis, we've got the because, you've got my reason. Now I need some examples. How many examples did I tell you I wanted? Yeah, 3 is a magic number. So let's see if I have them. I remember going through the grocery store and buying all sorts of yummy treats to place on vanilla ice cream. When I got home and ate my Heath bar, chocolate chip, chocolate syrup, caramel, and whipped cream treat, I was so happy. Why? I can get any toppings. There's one example of a time I was so happy. There was another time, see that transition, when I went to Sweet Frog, that should be capitalized, and filled my yogurt with fruit. Juicy strawberries, big fat blueberries, my mouth burst with flavor. Second example. Those are some times that I knew I loved ice cream because of all the delicious toppings I could add. Well, look, do I have a thesis? Sure I do. I love ice cream. Do I have my because? Sure I do. Do I have my because of all the delicious toppings? You bet I do. What am I missing though? I'm missing a third example. I need to think of a third time that I had a great experience with toppings. I would add in here, my last example is when I went shopping for our classroom PSSA treats, and the class came up with a list of 10 different toppings for our ice cream. We all had so much fun adding all the different toppings to our ice cream, and it tasted great. Then I could put, those are sometimes I knew I loved ice cream because of all the delicious toppings I could add. This is the format that you will follow. Thesis, because, reason. You're going to finish your paragraph with thesis, because, and reason. And then you're going to give me how many stories? 1, 2, 3. Are you going to number your stories? No, I'm just doing that to show you that I should have 3. Are you going to circle because? No, I'm just doing that to show you that it's in there. Are you going to highlight and underline? No, you are not. Okay, you're going to make it look like, are you ready? It's going to all disappear. You're going to have it turned in like this because that's what a 4th grade paragraph looks like. All right, makes sense?